top 5 technology trends that you would like to forecast, 1, 2, 3, whatever, that will transform businesses and marketing?
Okay. So in terms of technology trends, I mean, whenever we talk about the future, it must be taken with a disclaimer that one doesn't know how soon and when and exactly in what form and shape. But let's start with an individual perspective for each one of us who's on the call today. I definitely see one clear trend, which is going to go towards wearable technology gadgets, not just handheld devices and an extension of our senses, but actually wearable technology experiences, or even maybe a more scary phenomena, which could be even embedded, technology experiences within our physical sort of body, and seeing those as extensions, integrated experiences that we will have beyond the 5 senses to use technology to enhance how you experience the world. That is looking very clearly like one trend towards individual sort of gadgets and so on. The second is, let's say, artificial intelligence related, the physical sort of manifestation of that, which is in the form of, say, robotics, right? Where you see not just humans around the world, but you also start seeing more AI-driven machines, which will look and behave in ways which are similar to us, leading to potentially smarter homes or smarter serviced homes, smarter workplaces, as well as integrated, let's say, automated transport experiences. And I'm not just talking about self-driven cars or planes and so on, but many other sort of machine-driven experiences in the world powered by robotics. The third area I would talk about is, because you're talking so much gadgets, right? Where's there going to be so much energy to charge them, or the batteries and sustainability, because gadgets get old, how do you take them out? Or when you embed them in your body, how do you replace them? There'll be, recycling would be an issue. So sustainable energy solutions and innovations that will come, that will solve the issue of battery life, make, cleaner energy possible, cheaper, cleaner energy. So sustainable energy related innovations and technology is another trend that I can clearly see happening. More in the sense of, let's say, media, because all of us are there. So, in terms of media, I would say there are some clear trends which are already experienced even today. Deeper online and offline journeys for consumers, right? So everything that we do today, online, as well as what we do offline in the real world, you'd see a lot more integration of these online and offline experiences. It's certainly going to happen and disrupt the way retail experiences happen today offline, or even how e-commerce experiences are happening online. It will also change how we experience education online and offline, healthcare online and offline, and so on. So there are several areas in the industry where the online and offline experiences will get more and more integrated. So that's a clear trend. And the fifth area, which is, let's say, another very, very big trend in my opinion, is entertainment. Whether it is live events or whether it is gaming, creating enhanced virtual experiences where the lines between what's experienced by all of us today as the reality as we see it, and the virtual reality that we will be experiencing ourselves with ourselves placed in those sort of virtual experiences that would happen, whether it is for gaming or whether it is for education, learning, or whether it is simulations. It could be even impacting how we travel around the world and experience places, or even live events. And you can be in your safe sort of silo of your home and just be indoors, but still experience a live match at an IPL perhaps, almost like you're sitting in the stadium. So things like that, where the lines between virtual reality and the physical reality as we experience it today will start getting blurred, and will open, all of these trends will open new job opportunities, new sort of advertising, media opportunities in ways that I can't necessarily visualize. But since it is talking about future trends, these are the 5 which I would like to, conclude my sort of vision with respect to what's happening, and where I clearly see these trends leading to already clear signs that this is happening now, and it's not totally futuristic what I'm talking about. I think this is all very real, and today technology has made enough progress to give us a taste of all of this immediately, while it will become mainstream as we go along.
Thank you.